Have you ever felt that despite reading spiritual books, watching videos, and practicing random meditations, something is still missing? That there is a deeper secret, a technique used by ancient Himalayan masters to directly access divine consciousness within. This is Kriya Yoga, a technique so powerful that yogis say it can compress centuries of spiritual evolution into a single lifetime. Today, in this beginner's full guide, we will explore what Kriya Yoga really is, its true purpose, how to prepare yourself for its practice, and what simple steps you can start today to enter the path of Kriya with purity and power. Chapter 1. What is Kriya Yoga? Imagine a flowing river. Most people build their spiritual life like building a house on the riverbank. But Kriya Yoga is like diving into the river and merging with its flow. Kriya Yoga is not just another meditation technique. It is a scientific system of pranayama, mantra, mudra, and inner focus that purifies your nervous system and energy channels, draws your life force inward and upward along your spine, awakens your dormant spiritual awareness. The word Kriya comes from the Sanskrit root Kri, meaning action. But it is not ordinary action. It is action done with full inner awareness and alignment with the divine. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Kriya Yoga is the path of internal action which leads to liberation. Chapter 2. The true purpose of Kriya Yoga. Many people ask, is Kriya Yoga only for enlightenment? Here is the truth. Kriya brings practical benefits, mental clarity, emotional balance, physical health. But its ultimate purpose is to reunite your individual soul with the infinite spirit. When practiced properly, it removes karmic impressions stored in your energy body, balances your life force, prana, within the spine, ending restlessness, allows your awareness to rise to higher spiritual centers, leading to samadhi. Imagine, if your mind is a lake, Kriya is the technique that makes it still and clear, allowing you to see your true reflection, your soul, as one with God. Chapter 3. History and lineage of Kriya Yoga. To understand Kriya Yoga's depth, let's explore its sacred lineage. Thousands of years ago, Himalayan sages discovered that breath and life force are linked to consciousness. They developed techniques to control breath, still the mind, and awaken the Sushumna Nadi, central energy channel. In modern times, Kriya Yoga was reintroduced by Mahavatar Babaji, the deathless yogi of the Himalayas, through his disciple Lahiri Mahasaya in the 19th century. Lahiri Mahasaya taught householders and monks alike, proving that spiritual liberation is not limited to caves, but can be attained amidst worldly duties. This lineage continued through Sri Yogswar, the enlightened astrologer yogi, Paramahansa Yogananda, who spread Kriya Yoga to the West and authored Autobiography of a Yogi. Each of these masters emphasized that Kriya Yoga is not a religion, but a universal science of soul realization. Chapter 4. Preparing your body and mind. Before diving into Kriya techniques, preparation is essential. Why? Because Kriya works with your pranic currents and nervous system. If your body is impure and mind unstable, energy flow will be blocked, leading to frustration or imbalance. Here are practical preparatory steps. 1. Clean diet. Eat fresh, sattvic foods, fruits, vegetables, nuts. Avoid heavy tamasic foods, excess meat, stale food, intoxicants. 2. Basic asana practice. Develop flexibility in the spine and hips. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily of spinal twists, forward bends, and seated postures will prepare you. 3. Basic breath awareness. Before advanced Kriya pranayamas, master simple diaphragmatic breathing. Slow deep breaths into your belly to calm your nervous system. 4. Mental discipline. Reduce negative inputs, gossip, toxic news, chaotic environments. Replace them with uplifting books, mantras, and silent contemplation. Chapter 5. Understanding the Energy Body, Subtle Anatomy. Kriya Yoga works not on your physical body alone, but on your Pranayyama kosha, energy body. According to Yogic science, there are 72,000 nadis, energy channels in your body. 3 main nadis, Ida, left, Pingala, right, and Sushumna, central. Along the Sushumna lie the 7 chakras, each controlling different physical, emotional, and spiritual functions. Most people's prana oscillates between Ida and Pingala, creating duality and restlessness. Kriya Yoga redirects prana into Sushumna, awakening your higher consciousness. This is why preparation is vital, to ensure your nadis are cleansed, open, and ready to channel higher frequencies of prana without blockage or discomfort. Chapter 6. First steps in Kriya practice, the attitude of a seeker. Finally, before we learn actual techniques in Part 2, remember this. Kriya Yoga is not just mechanical breath work. It is a divine communion. Each breath is a prayer. Each technique a sacred offering to the infinite within you. Here are inner attitudes every Kriya beginner must cultivate. 1. Humility. Realize you are an instrument. Divine energy flows through you, not from you. 2. Devotion. Kriya without devotion becomes dry. Feel love and reverence for your higher self and the lineage of masters guiding you. 3. Patience. True progress is gradual. Flowers bloom in their own season, and so will your spiritual unfoldment. 4. Consistency. Daily practice, even 10 to 15 minutes, is better than occasional long meditations. Regularity builds an unbreakable spiritual current in your life. Chapter 7. Introduction to Beginner Kriya Techniques. Now that you understand what Kriya Yoga truly is, its purpose, and how to prepare your body and mind, let us step into the sacred practices themselves. But remember, these are introductory techniques, designed to prepare your energy channels and awareness for deeper Kriya practices under a qualified guru. Practice them with devotion, patience, and an attitude of surrender. Chapter 8. Technique 1. Yogic Breath Awareness. Purpose: to calm your nervous system and stabilize your mind. Step by step. 1. Sit comfortably in a quiet place with your spine erect. 2. Place your hands on your thighs or in chin mudra, thumb and index finger touching. 3. Close your eyes gently. 4. Bring your awareness to your natural breath. Feel the air moving in and out of your nostrils. Do not control it at first. Just observe. 5. Now slowly begin to deepen your breath. Inhale gently through your nose, feeling your belly expand. Exhale slowly, feeling your belly contract. 6. Continue this for 5 to 10 minutes. Key points: no force or strain. Keep awareness on breath sensation. Each exhale, relax deeper into stillness. This technique alone, practiced daily, prepares your lungs and pranic pathways for deeper Kriya pranayamas. Chapter 9. Technique 2. Om Chanting and Vibration Awareness. Purpose: to harmonize your brain waves, purify inner vibrations, and awaken spiritual awareness. Step by step. 1. Sit in meditation posture with spine straight. 2. Take a deep breath in. 3. As you exhale, chant Om. Let the U vibrate in your chest. Let the Mem vibrate in your head. 4. Feel the vibration throughout your body and energy field. 5. Repeat 9 to 21 times, feeling each chant as a wave of divine sound washing your entire being. Key points: keep eyes closed. Focus fully on the inner vibration. Visualize your entire body filled with golden light while chanting. Chapter 10. Technique 3. Simple Kriya Pranayyama, Pre-Kriya Technique. Purpose: to begin channeling prana along the spine safely before formal Kriya initiation. Step by step. 1. Sit straight, Close your eyes. 2. Visualize your spinal column as a hollow golden tube. 3. As you inhale, mentally draw breath energy from the base of your spine upwards to the crown of your head. 4. As you exhale, feel it flow back down from the crown to the base. 5. Breathe slowly, deeply, and in a relaxed manner. Repeat this for 5 to 10 minutes, maintaining visualization and breath synchronization. Key points. Keep shoulders relaxed. Focus on subtle feeling of prana rising and descending. Do not force the breath. Keep it gentle. Note, this is a preliminary practice. True Kriya Pranayama requires initiation from an authorized teacher, but this preparation will awaken your inner energy channels safely. Chapter 11. Integrating Kriya into your daily life. Kriya Yoga is not just a practice on your mat. It is a way of living. Here are practical ways to integrate Kriya principles into your daily life. Mindful actions. Practice breath awareness while cooking, walking, or working. Silent moments. Take short breaks in the day to observe your breath and inner state. Gratitude practice. Before sleep, mentally thank the divine for guiding your spiritual journey. Satsang, spiritual company. Surround yourself with books, videos, and people who uplift your consciousness. Early rising. Wake up before sunrise if possible, as spiritual practices are most powerful during Brahma Muhurta, 3:30 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. Chapter 12. The attitude of devotion and surrender. Finally, remember the secret of all spiritual progress. Techniques purify you. Devotion liberates you. Practice these beginner Kriya techniques with gratitude for the lineage of masters, love for the divine within you, faith in your own highest self. Whenever you sit for practice, bow internally to the infinite. Offer your breath, your thoughts, your life force back to its source. This attitude turns every technique into a living prayer, awakening grace within your journey. You have now learned what Kriya Yoga is, its history and purpose, how to prepare your body and mind, 3 powerful beginner techniques, ways to integrate Kriya into daily life, the attitude of devotion and surrender. If you are ready to dive deeper into advanced Kriya techniques, spiritual science, and mystical teachings, subscribe to The Spiritual Boy and comment below, I am ready for the next step. Your journey has begun. May your breath lead you back to the infinite silence within, where you realize you are not the body, not the mind, you are pure consciousness itself.